You need to watch this if you struggle with turning your social media into a cash machine. Let's solve that today. First up, Facebook. Did you know you can make money with Facebook's Creator Studio? Yup, enable in-stream ads for your videos. Or join fan subscriptions for steady income. Easy peasy. Next, Instagram. If you have a strong following, try sponsored posts. Brands will pay you to showcase their products. Or use Instagram shopping to sell your own merch. Tag your products in posts and stories and voila, sales. Lastly, TikTok. It's not just for dance challenges. Use the Creator Fund to earn from your viral videos. And don't forget about brand partnerships. Collaborate with companies to promote their stuff and get paid. Remember, engagement is key. Interact with your audience, stay consistent, and always bring value. Your followers are your biggest asset. So, what are you waiting for? Start monetizing your social media today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.